Hello YouTube, this is Shan Siddiqui here, and today I'm going to tell you how to create stored procedures and how to use them in CodeIgniter, and how to basically get the output from your created stored procedure in CodeIgniter. So basically stored procedure creation is not very unique thing, but whenever you try to use them on CodeIgniter, you are a bit confused how to use that. So I'm first of all starting by creating procedure. I'm using head SQL environment and PHP strong. So if you want to download that, you can. So let's just start. My database name is noti underscore underscore, and in this database I am going to create a stored procedure. I'll right click, I click on stored routine, and just here I type the name of my stored procedure. So the name of my stored procedure is get branches. I just type it here. I will mention, if you want to mention some comment, you can here, and then just tell that procedure is going to return something or not, and then just start writing a query. I'm writing that select static from branch where branch equals ID. What this ID is basically the argument you will send in your stored procedure. Basically stored procedure is similar like a function which have some arguments. So the argument of that function you can add from here, like ID, and you can just save it. You need to put a statement terminator after your query and save it. Okay, congratulations, your stored procedure is created now, and we can see the code of that stored procedure. We can see here the ID which you passed as an argument to your function in between the brackets. Now you can see that ID is passing here, and now the given ID related branches will be written in the output of a stored procedure. So now your stored procedure is successfully created. Now you can go to PHP and write code to get the output from stored procedure. So this is a CodeIgniter framework. I have a controller where which named as example.php. I have a model which both of these controller and model I'll use in this functionality. So basically I want to query first. So this is the place where you can query. This is the model. So basically first you first you type this db last underscore query. This db what you write here is that you need to go to the stored procedure. You can click on run routine. It will ask you what ID you want to pass. So we can type 6 here, and this will be the code, and this will be the output of your stored procedure. So you can get the query from here and just paste this query in the CodeIgniter query. You can pass only 6 here because it's an ID, so integer has no need to pass. Right. Now this method will be called in the controller. Here we have a controller. We can just call that method. First of all, we need to load model named as model example then we need to call the function from that model. You can copy it from model like this, and you can pass, there is no argument, you can get the output data. You can show the output on the call of controller like this, and you can get it in the array form using the CodeIgniter built-in method result_. So now the output will be pretty good if you use tree here. In this way you will see the output. First of all, you load the model, then you call the procedure from your model, and in that procedure you write this query. So here you will return the data you will get from this. Now the data you will get from this query, you will get that data on the controller and you will print that data. So let's do the output. Okay, you get the branch which has 6 ID. You can get the branch which has 10 ID if you type here, then you will get the branch which has 10 ID. So in this way you can create a stored procedure and you can query them from database. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.